As an investment professional, I must say I am allergic to seeing idle money sitting in the bank. Whether you're an institution or an individual, you should never have idle money lying in a bank account. And how do people end up having idle money in the bank account? You just close the big deal and the money ends up lying idle because you do not know. You haven't figured out exactly what you want to do. You just received a big bonus and that money lies in the bank as you figure out what exactly you want to do with it. Or you operate a cash-rich business and there's so much movement of money and your account is always fat. And there's a fourth category of people. They just like seeing a bank statement that reads a number with very many zeros. If you are that kind of a person, you should consider to invest in a money market fund. And in today's video, I want to talk about money market fund. My name is Pius Mushiri Mugo, the Managing Director of Nambu Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa. So what is a money market fund? A money market fund was an idea or a product that was started by investors in the US when they started looking for another product that would be able to help them to earn higher interest rates than they were earning in the banks. And they came up with this idea of pulling money together in a product they were calling money market fund. A money market fund, compared to all other investment products, is considered to be the most liquid, and therefore it is a nice place to put money to make sure that it is working for you, it is earning something as you figure out exactly what you want to do with your money, or as another opportunity matures for you to be able to channel your money there. So money market is an important product that you can sweep your excess cash to on a regular basis. As soon as money hits your account, and you consider this is not highly transactional money, just sweep it into a money market account and you'll be able to extract the most value and make sure every shilling, every dollar is working for you on a day-to-day basis. The other question that I want to answer for you, who should invest in a money market fund? And many people tend to perceive money market as a product just for individuals. A money market fund is there for everybody, whether you are an institution or an individual, whether you are an investment group or whatever type or institution or form that you come in. A money market fund is good for you because it earns a higher interest than what a typical bank account would earn for you. The other thing that makes it very interesting is that a money market fund tends to be diversified. One investment in a money market fund tends to be diversified in so many securities and even in so many banks, and therefore even if something would go wrong in one of those investments, you never lose all your money. It is not like putting money in a bank and a bank goes under, and in one day you're having a fat bank account and the following day your account is reading zero or inaccessible. So a money market fund is an important product in the financial system of any economy of any country. Now, again, back to who should invest in a money market fund. Doctors, hospitals, investment group, chairmans, investment companies, any institution, individuals, wealthy individuals, even people who are still trying to make it in the wealth ladder, they should invest in a money market account. So this is my message to everybody out there. Make sure that you open a money market account, and that will help you to manage idle money. Never ever have idle money lying in your bank account. Thank you for watching. My name is Pius Mushiri Mugo, the Managing Director of Nambu Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa.